What should you pay attention to when installing the wheel spacers on your car? When removing the wheels, it is important to remove any rust from the surface of the hub assembly. Why is rust remover so important when fitting BONOSS wheel spacers? If there is rust on the hub surface, the spacer won't fit fresh. Cleaning the rust from the center of the hub allows the BONOSS customer fit spacers to fit perfectly, as you can see. Since the spacer is connecting part that hold the vehicle hubs and the wheels together, precise wheel spacers are the best option. BONOSS wheel spacers are generally produced by 0.02mm CNC machining, while ensuring a smoother surface and stable construction. In other words, the higher the precision, the better the performance. Made of advantageous machining and undergone a series of safety tests. They are approved by SGS and TV. These SGS TV certified tire spacers are completely safe to use. To ensure the spacer you won't use the factory nut. Indeed, BONOSS provides ISO grade 10 nugget nuts, especially for mounting the spacer. Tighten the nugget nut diagonal to ensure an even fit. When it's time to remount the wheel, use the stock nugget nut for a secure fit. Since the wheel stud and nugget nut use a clamping force to secure the wheel spacer and the wheels, if the stud or nugget nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The core wheel studs of BONOSS wheel spacers are made of high-strength, forged SCM 4.0 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 4.9. With high strength, your wheel spacers can be more precise without breaking. In addition, the BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat-efficient grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute and tighter shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. We hope this video gave you a clear understanding of why BONOSS wheel spacers are top choice for performance, safety, and precision. From rust-free fitting to high-strength bolts and active cooling technology, BONOSS ensures that every drive is smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Don't forget to check out our full range of wheel spacers and let us know in the comments. If you have any questions, drive safe and see you in the next video.